Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. I am going to be unboxing for the first time on my channel. As you guys can see in the description above, the Macys Beauty Box. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, I'm super excited to unbox a new makeup subscription box on my channel. I was going to subscribe to the Macys Beauty Box, but they were on hold during the whole pandemic in the beginning. I don't want to say the C word because I heard like they monetize. They do something if you say that on your channel or something. So I'm not going to say that word, but I can use the word pandemic. So we're still in a pandemic, but I don't think they do anything if you say that on your channel. So I'm just doing extra precautions. They halted the boxes for a while. They just started the boxes. They started the boxes in October. The October box was like Jo Malone takeover. I have a lot of stuff from Jo Malone, so honestly and truly, and I only like I want to say like one or two of their fragrances. I've tried all of them. I've sprayed all of them, so I didn't want to get anything that I wasn't going to use. So I opted out of that one and I joined in November. And I got my November box here. Let's see what I got in my box, guys. And if you guys love makeup subscription boxes, just make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do lots of that on my channel. And if you like my video at the end, give me a thumbs up, or you could give me a thumbs up now, whatever's good for you. So let's see what I got in this box. Alrighty guys, so I just opened the box up. This is what it looks like. The box is a little weird because, oh my goodness, the whole thing comes out. They didn't think these boxes out very well. So let's see here. Just put this box on the floor. I got all of this and all of that. Oops. So I don't know if they still do this, but I know back in the day, they used to give you like a $5 off coupon that you can use in Macy's on any cosmetic thing. I don't know if they still do that in these boxes. But right off the bat, your girl is upset because I got oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry. We're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. So I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but that's the first thing I saw. The next thing I see is I got a Strivectin Dramatic Results Without Dramatic Intervention. Experience a 4-day tryout of this first of its kind system. So I got like a little packet thing. I'm not a fan of packet samples. Oh, I forgot to mention, guys, this is only a $15 subscription box, so beggars can't be choosers. I watch other people's channels and they get so upset about what they got. In a it was $15. What do you expect in a $15 box? You expect to get like a $100 moisturizer? Like, no. You're gonna get samples, but like, this is like taking it to another limit when you get the packets. The packets, I'm not too thrilled about because Birchbox is like $15 and they don't even, sometimes they do it all, I'm not gonna lie, but majority of the times they give you at least deluxe size samples. So, but this, womp womp womp, and it's skincare, and you guys know how I feel about skincare. Everybody that's not new to my channel, so not excited about the first thing. Was there a card that tells you what's inside? I did get one. Yes, you do get a $5 off your next beauty purchase, valid in store, 10/30 to 1/21. 10/30 to 1/21. Okay, alrighty. So I have till January 21st. That's not bad. I had to think about that for a second. Sorry, guys. Does this tell you what you get in your box? I don't want to sneak peek it, but there's a whole bunch of stuff here and here. So let's see. This is my first time doing this box, so everything's new to me. We're experiencing this all together, this whole new box. Well, it's not new, but new to me. Alrighty, so what is this? What is this? It looks like a bib. Alright, let's see here. What is this? Oh, it's a bag. So I'm guessing this is like a recyclable. You know how like now everything is like when you go to the stores, they don't give you like a shopping bag anymore. They just started doing that where I'm at, where now you have to pay for your bags. They didn't have that like not too long ago where I live. Other places they started earlier. But this is cute. I'm here for it. It's pink. Tie-dye. Tie-dye's in now. So I am loving this. I'm going to be putting, you know, when I do my little grocery, not my groceries, but like if I have to go to CVS or like Walmart or Target and I'm just buying small things, I can use this to put my stuff. And it feels like it's like waterproof. Like if it gets wet, it won't get damaged. So this was cute. I mean, it's a beauty box, subscription box, but I'm here for it. I am here for it. So I like this, not here for this. And then I got some stuff in here, and I love that the wrapping paper is pink. My favorite color. Not that it matters about what's inside, but, you know, it's a cute start. Let's see what I got in here. Alrighty, first, ooh, yes! I always want to try, this is the SK2, the facial treatment essence. So this is like their top selling thing. Like SK2 is known for their essence toner. It's very expensive. I want to say it's like $100 a bottle. I think. I don't know. I just know it's very expensive. So your girl never, you know, spent her coins on it. But I always wanted to try it. And now your girl gets to try it. I am excited for this. I am very excited for this. This is great. This is great. All right, so okay, not too bad. $15, but $15. This is name brand right here. This is some name brand skincare, so I'm already happy. And first of all, $15, and I already got a $5 off. So right off the bat, in reality, the box is only $10 because you get $5 back. I mean, you got to spend it in Macys, but Macys is smart. They get their money back at the beauty counter. Sorry, I dropped my card. I'm trying to see, does it say what you get? It doesn't look like it. Yeah, it doesn't tell you. It says I got an $87 value. Oh, it does tell you. It does. It does tell you what you got. Alrighty. It just has a list of all the things you could have got in here. Alrighty. So I don't see the SK2 serum. I think I was supposed to get an SK2 age cream because that's what's in here. Right there. But I didn't get that. But nevertheless, I wanted this anyway. I would rather this than a moisturizer. So I'm happy about that. The next thing I got is a tan towel. Now, I don't think I am lacking in the color department or in my skin tone. So I don't think the tan towel is gonna do good for me, but I do have a friend who definitely could use this. Very good friend of mine. So I will be passing this off to one of my lovely friends that actually was asking me about like tanning products, and I was like, girl, you asking the wrong person, because I don't use tanning products, but because I'm in the beauty industry, she knows that I know about everything. But I did tell her tan towel is very popular for tanning products. Like apparently you just open it up and you just put it, you know, all over, and it gradually gives you like a nice tan. And this one is for fair to medium skin tones, half body tan. I know they got like the full body ones, just the face ones. So I know somebody who's gonna love this. So not mad at it. I can't use it, but I know somebody that can. Now, what is this? Oh my gosh, this box is so random. It is just, I got a tote bag. Now I think I got some like Spanx or something. It says Jockey True Fit Promise. Fit and flatters, dress size 4 to 14. Hipster fits. What is this? This is so random in a beauty box. All right, I gotta open this up. Oh my god, it's underwear. It's underwear. in a beauty box. You can see that these are like the girl who's like a demo of like a girl in underwears. In underwear. Oh my gosh. Let's open this up. Guys, what's going on right now? What is the world coming to where beauty subscription boxes are giving you underwear? This is so random. Wow, guys. What is this? What? You can't make this stuff up. You can't make this stuff up. Never in my life. All right, moving on. Oh, it does have the underwear on. There goes underwear. Very random box. Very random. Yeah, see, I knew it. I was supposed to get the moisturizer. See, that's the moisturizer down here. And I got the toner instead. So random. I don't know. Is that like a lifestyle? It's a beauty box. It even says Macys beauty box. How does underwear classify as beauty or a tote bag? Nevertheless, we could all use some clean underwear and we could all use a tote bag, right? So I'm not mad at it. These are stuff that I could use. Am I excited? Like, yes, I got a new pair of underwear. Yes, I got a tote bag. I'm not like excited about it, but I mean, I'm happy. I mean, hey. Alrighty. The next thing I got is a Dermablend loose setting powder. So did they have the prices inside? The tan towel, it says $24, but I'm guessing that's for like a pack, not for one. Where's the Dermablend? Does it have the Dermablend? It says, so they only tell you the price for the full size. It says the full size of this is $29, but they don't give you the price, I guess, because it's like a travel size. But, I mean, for $15, beggars can be choosers. I have a PYT Plumping Lip Gloss. So I did hear of the brand PYT. I've seen it in Macys. It says, get for the lips while keeping it natural. Free of parabens, silicones, and phthalates, and full of sunflower seed and avocado oil. The full size of this is $15. I mean, this is a itty bitty. Like, I think one application and that's going to be done with my lips. But, I mean, she cute. She tiny but cute. That's what she looks like. PYT, and this brand is supposed to be like an all clean brand. Alrighty, so I got two more things in here. I got a Jean Paul Gaultier fragrance. I think is this men's though? I want to say it says Le Male. So I'm guessing this is a men's. No, it says lavender. Smell of lavender. Enhanced with vanilla. No. Aisha does not like the smell of vanilla, so I'm probably going to give this away. I want to smell it, though. But you can't really smell anything. I like the smell that it says of shave. It says smelling of shaving soap. But I don't know if I like the smell of vanilla. I'm going to try it. I'm curious. Let me spray the actual card. Oh, no. It does smell like soap. But I can smell the vanilla. I don't know, guys. I don't know why. I don't like the smell of vanilla. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't like the smell. Just don't. Alrighty, so now we got Angel. If this smells anything like the Angel, anybody on my channel, if it smells like Angel when somebody smells it, when they spray it, oh my goodness. That smell, it reminds me of like Chanel No. 5 in the sense that you wear that scent, oh my, it's just like pungent. You can smell it miles and miles away. But this says Eau de Toilette, so maybe it's a little bit more fresh. I do like that they put fragrances in here because you could find a new fragrance from these. This one definitely ain't going to be a new one for me, though, I can tell you that much. But let's see this one. Let's see how this one smells. It says exotic, sunny destination, exhilarating fragrance trail. Let's see. We shall see. I'll see about that. We shall see. Oh. Wow. Yes. I smell a little bit of the other scents. I guess some of it got on my hand. It smells like vanilla, and I'm like, ugh. The smell of vanilla makes me like kind of gag. I hate the smell. This smells nice. Very nice, very nice. The bottle looks beautiful too. Look at the bottle. Look at that bottle. All right, you see, this box may get me into trouble now because I don't need to be buying any more. Look at all my fragrances, and it goes all the way back. And I got these and I got those, guys. Don't let me buy any more fragrances, okay? It's enough that I buy too much skincare and beauty products. But this smells very, very nice. Very, very nice. I definitely, hold on, let me not waste it. Who does this when you guys get the little things? You just rub it on your clothes and on your... Very nice. So let's go over everything I got in my box. I love this. This smells bomb diggity. You can never have too much setting powders. You guys know I have tons of setting powders. I did a whole collection video on like all my setting powders, and I want to say I have like at least 40 of them. So number 41. We could all use, I dropped the fragrance, but I'll find it after the video. We could all use a lip gloss. It's itty bitty, but I mean, it's a little tease. Macys is smart. They give you a little tease to make you buy the full. I see what you do. Macys, I got you. I see. I know what you're doing. I'm on to ya. But I like it. SK2. Yes, I'm so excited. Wasn't here for this, but I mean, at least I could try it. And if I don't like, rather than get the full size and I don't like it, at least I could try it. I'm still confused about this, guys. Guys, first of all, how do they know my size to be just giving me underwear like this? You can't make this up. You can't. That's what they gave me, I guess. I don't know. And this cute little tote bag. I love. I mean, I didn't need another tote bag, but I mean, she cute. She cute or whatever. Alrighty, guys. That concludes the ending of my video. If you guys love makeup subscription boxes, subscribe to my channel, become a part of my YouTube family, because that's majority of the things that I do on my channel. I do lots of hauls on my channel and a lot of anything makeup related. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.